just needs infinity. Relax. Take your time. And take your time to trust in me, and you will find infinity.